In this video, I am going to show you how to view who signed in to your eBay account. Managing your trusted devices on eBay helps secure your account by controlling which devices have easy access. Here's a concise guide to do it. Go to the eBay website and sign in with your credentials. Head to My eBay at the top right corner, then click Account from the drop-down menu. In the account settings, locate and select Sign In and Security. Click on Devices You Trust to see a list of your trusted devices. Review the list to confirm you recognize all devices. If there is a device you no longer use or recognize, select it and opt to remove or entrust to enhance your security. Periodically review and update your trusted devices list to ensure it reflects your current devices and maintains account security. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.